Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this channel we will be talking about many tutorials about things that you need to learn in your life. And today we will continue our topic about spreadsheets. And last time we talked about addition and subtraction. Now we will be doing some multiplication. So there are two methods to do multiplication. One is longer version. So before we start with we put random numbers from A1 to A4. Now on cell C1, what we will do is we will multiply A1 and A2. So to do that, we just simply click the first cell, type asterisk, and then click the second cell, and then press enter. So now we will have here 12 times 32 is equal to 384. That is your longer version. Now for the shorter version, we will be using functions, multiply, or product. So let's say product. This will result by multiplying the series of numbers together. So parenthesis, factor 1. So let's say, there you go, multiplied by factor 2. Or another technique is we can just simply highlight all of the cells that you want to multiply. There, same answer. So there you go. This is the very simple way to on how to do multiplications in spreadsheets. If you like this video, if you learn anything about this video, do not forget to hit that notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever we will have a new video. See you on the next tutorial. Once again, this is your sensei, Wesley Sensei, saying you stay hydrated, keep safe, don't get out of your house.